After it sits, doesn't make good smell like that.
Of course I do. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, you get one, girl. You get.
I don't want one.
Uh-huh. You do want one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's top notch.
Pickle, if you like pickle. You're so gonna hate me for that. Because now you have to take that out. Okay. Now you check that out. Stop it. Bring a brat.
Danielle's getting ready for her adventures in cooking.
Oh my goodness. It's not even cooking, this is an appetizer.
This is so simple.
It's not really that simple. You gotta think of ingredients that will taste good together. You gotta experiment with them. And then make the recipe.
And you've experimented with these flavors.
Oh,
This flavor combination.
oh yeah. We got some good practice here. Alright. Oh, those aren't even broken.
Oh yeah,
Remember the pitas?
oh, they were just tore up. It's like
horrible.
it's like somebody stomped on the bag.
Wow. That's what you get for buying expensive crackers. Okay. Alright.
Ready.
Don't get me doing this.
It's not as round as you wanted it.
Nope. Well, because I didn't use I used parchment paper because I don't buy the saran wrap or anything like that. And that's really yummy. Would you stop it, Bella? Okay, now I gotta get out this. Mix it up. I used wax paper last time. That did not work. I'm using this. I'm not doing right. Okay, so this is here I'm not ready for it. I need pickles, dill weed, garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I have too long of nails. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to break a nail and I'm going to have a blood coming everywhere. I can't afford to do that right now. I need to do this.
Himalayan salt. You want it on the pour or the?
No,
oh yes. Scoop. Your cutting board.
Alright, so I'm going to do pickles first.
I'll let you pick up your knife out.
Well,
I have to use.
Let me see.
Go lay down, Bella. Come on, let's go lay down. Come here. Lay down.
And I need tablespoon. Teaspoon. I do that. You want to know why I do that? Because I don't want this teaspoon to have pickle dill weed on it and go into the salt.
Oh no. Yuck.
No, that's the reason why I do that. If you ever see me the way I arrange it, there's a reason for that. It's not just because I'm being anal about it.
Oh, I know. There's a reason for all of it. I've learned so much about cooking. Just being married to you for 23 years.
Yeah.
I was not a cook.